What's up, guys? So today we're going to be replacing the spark plug wires on the XJ. It was actually a couple days ago. I went to go start the truck and heard this like strange ticking noise, so I popped the hood and I'll show you a video of what was actually happening. So there's a little cut inside my factory wire, and it was the spark was arcing from like the spark plug area to the engine block, like kind of intermittently. And of course it's an XJ, so it doesn't care and it just runs perfectly fine. It's just the only reason why I noticed it, because I heard the sound. So I went ahead and ordered some new NGK spark plug wires. So we'll put these on. I did order plugs, but they haven't arrived yet, so that'll be another video. I'll just be replacing the plugs. I didn't even look at these plugs, but I figured if the spark plug wires are old enough where it's, you know, torn and stuff, I might as well just do the plugs as well. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And of course it's snowing out in October. It hasn't stayed, but it was pretty crazy. I'll actually show a video of me driving home just not too long ago. So it's really coming down. Man, it's cold though. I'm not ready for it, guys. I'm not ready for it. Okay, let's see here. We'll just start the back here. Oh, one. Oh, they are labeled. Time to look up. I have no idea which one's one through whatever, so I don't know if either this is one or that's one. So I'm gonna figure that out. I'm gonna phone a friend.
I'll call the Kremlin.
Will do.
Hello, sir. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we've made a call to Waymid.
Oh no.
There's Waymid. Okay, sir. So
I'm panicking.
don't panic. It's very simple. So how are the cylinders labeled on the inline 6? Is it 1 through 6 or 1 through 6?
Number 1 is at the front.
At the front?
Number 6 is in the back.
Okay, cool. Easy enough. That's all we needed. Just doing the spark plug wires. So.
Oh, okay.
So very good.
Sigh of relief.
Yes. How's the white truck doing?
Well, let's see.
Well, it's got gas in it.
I wish I had a tachometer so you could see what the engine's doing.
Yeah.
There you go. Burp, 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 burp.
Nice. Very good, good sir.
I might need to put a new battery in it, but
Yeah. Well, it's been sitting for a while. Alrighty, dude. Thank you for your help.
okay. Yeah, I hope I didn't screw anything up.
No, that was good. Oh, it's freezing. This snow literally looks fake. I've never seen it look like this before. But just so you guys can see, this is what we're dealing with. So I'm thinking we'll be back. Come on. Why do I live here, guys? Please like and subscribe so I can move to the Sunshine State. Thank you. So, we got our old wires here, you know, a couple Tor boots. I don't know how old these are, but probably pretty old. And we got this guy. We gotta push that on more. There we go. Make sure this one's fully seated. So got dielectric grease on all the points, keep the water out. All right. Now we go fire her up, see if she blows up or not. Cherokee does do this when it's really cold out. It idles super high. So come down. Give her a little bit. There she is. Yeah. Running good. So anyway, guys, that's going to do it for the video. Part number for the wire set, in case you want to get this wire set. I had to go to Rock Auto to find the actual part number and then just order it off at eBay. But stock number is 53229, and they look really cool. The blue looks nice. But anyway, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.